Oh, hey, how's it going? I'm pretty excited because I get to go to the Detroit Pistons game later tonight, but I'm even more excited because I just recently found out that I get the opportunity to go on the court and take a shot from the free throw line after the game. So, pretty excited, but I'm also a little nervous because I feel like I need to brush up on my basketball skills. So, let's go do a little practice. Unfortunately, this is about the best I can do for practice right now, but I'll have to make it work. Oh yeah. Well, that's about the extent of the practice I'm going to get. Hopefully it pays off. I'm only going to get one shot to make a basket, so we'll see what happens. I just got to go to work now, and then it's game time. Oh yeah. All right, we're at Little Caesars Arena. It's just about game time, and then the moment we've all been waiting for, to see if I can make a basket. At Little Caesars Arena, about to shoot some baskets on the court. The Pistons actually just beat the Cavaliers just moments ago on this very court.